Ang unang tanong, yung dinadala ba ni Maria Diyos? Yes or no?
Oo naman Diyos, oo naman Diyos, oo naman Diyos, oo naman Diyos.
Okay, why do we call Blessed Virgin Mary the Mother of God? The angel said to Mary, "The Holy Spirit did come upon you, and the power of the Most High will overshadow you. Therefore, the child to be born is to be called Holy, the Son of God." Luke 1:35. The Blessed Virgin is honored as the Mother of God because she conceived in the birth of Christ, who is the incarnation of God the Son, the second person of the Trinity. Since the first century of Christians, the Church customary regarded that the Blessed Virgin to be the Mother of God. With the simple logic reason, by the power of the Holy Spirit she conceived Jesus Christ, the Son of God, since the divine persons and God the Son assumed and took on the human nature, and she is the Mother of God in the fullness of sins. Since what the Catholic faith believe about Mary is based on the belief about Christ, and what it teaches about illuminates and turn the faith of Christ. The Church is solemnly defined his belief in the Ecumenical Councils of Ephesus, 431 AD, by Saint Athanasius of Alexandria, Saint Athanasius of Alexandria. But how can we, the mortals of the Mother of Eternal God, who has always exists, how consider it to be speak of human motherhood? Our own mother supply a human nature and physical body, yet it is God who supplies our spirit and soul. We do not distinguish between the two. A mother gives birth not only to a nature, but to our entire person. In regards of Christ, the Blessed Virgin supply his humanity and is thus the mother of Jesus. But Christ has both human natures and divine natures. Nevertheless, she gave birth to the person who is Jesus Christ, the Son of God made man. She is the right called the Mother of God, even though she is herself is not the source of his divinity. It was in CCC 496. This doctrine is taught that implicitly the scriptures, especially to those passages where the Blessed Virgin Mary is called the Mother of Jesus, of the Mother of Christ, perhaps striking when Elizabeth greeted her the following words, "Why is this granted to me, that the mother of my Lord shall come to me?" And even Elizabeth recognized Mary is the mother of her Lord. It means she is the mother of our God Jesus, the second person of the Trinity. Emphasizes added, her identity as the Mother of God is intimately linked to Christ, his own identity, a fully man and a fully God, and the Son of God. In Matthew 1:23, look at the virgin conceive and bear the Son, and they shall call him Emmanuel. Means God is with us. So this is the proof that Mary bear the Son of God, and Jesus is fully God, fully human. So the title of the Mother of God is worth it for her, because she carry in her womb the Son of the second Trinity, the Son of God. So Jesus is fully God, fully human. Mary is the vessel to bring forth the Son of God to the world. So Jesus is a God-man walking on the earth, and she has a mother. She conceived by the Holy Spirit in the womb of the Blessed Virgin. So it's proven that Mary is the mother of God. God barrier. Theotokos means she is the one who carried the Son of God in her womb. It's not a Jesus, not a man. It's a God-man in her womb.
Tanungan na. So, Sis Cassie, are you ready sa 5 minutes na cross-examination mo?
Ang unang tanong, yung dinadala ba ni Maria Diyos? Yes or no?
Oo naman Diyos. Kaya nga sabi ko sa'yo kanina, it doesn't mean na unang-una berin siya eh. Kung talagang si Maria ay may nakipagrelasyon dun sa ama, nagkaroon sila ng pag-aano, talagang maaari eh. Wala naman eh, berin siya eh. Walang gumalaw sa kanya eh. Kaya para siyang isang lalagyan na cooler na nilagyan ng isda. It doesn't mean nilagyan ng isda. Yung cooler ay magiging isda na rin. Salamat po.
Next question.
So, next question. Ano yung Greek word ng Luke 1:42 na Lord, Panginoon?
Curious yan, curious. Ano po? Curious. Ang kahulugan ng curious ay Panginoon. Ano po? Ano yan? Ibig sabihin siya ay Panginoon at yan ay titulo ni Kristo na Panginoon. Kaya sabi mapalad ang ina ng dinalaw ako ng ina ng Panginoon. Tumutuko yun kay Jesus na hindi pa ipinapanganak.
So, yung-
Alam naman ng matandang yon na yung ipinapanganak niya ay Panginoon. Pero hindi niya sinasabi na si Maria ay ina ng Diyos. Salamat po.
Next question. Ang curious ba Diyos o tao?
Pag si Kristo ang pinag-uusapan, siyempre Diyos. Pero ang sabi nga niyan ay dinalaw ako ng ina ng Panginoon. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa ipinapangalak si Jesus. Ibig sabihin, na alam niya na yan yung nasa loob ng tiyan ni Maria ay yung inihula sa Isaiah 9:6 na makapangyarihan Diyos. Dahil ang kanyang asawa naman ay isang taong banal at binigyan ng mga nakakakita ng mga himala.
Next question.
Ano yung strong meter, ina or adopted mother?
Ina. Kasi naman talagang tunay naman siyang ina sa anyong tao. Kaya sabi nga, merong isang berheng manganganak. Tandaan niyo, ang berhen ay walang nangyaring pagtatalik. Kaya ang sabi, ginamit lang siyang kasangkapan ng Diyos para matupad yung hula na merong ipapanganak na sanggol na lalaki na tatawagin makapangyarihan Diyos. Ang sabi ko nga, it doesn't mean na yung cooler ay nilagyan mo ng isda, ay yung cooler ay magiging isda na din. Mananatili yung cooler. Kagaya ni Maria, ginamit siya ng
Next question.
Next question. So, tanggap mo na si Maria ina ng Diyos batay sa mga sagot mo? Yes or no?
Yes, pero hindi pwedeng gamitin sa kanya ang titulong ina ng Diyos kasi nga hindi naman siya Diyos. Sabi mo nga, kung naniniwala kang si Jesus ay Diyos, ang Diyos ay walang pasimula. Kaya kung gagamitin natin ng common sense, mali ang iyong interpretasyon. Ang sabi ko nga, ginamit siyang kasangkapan ng Diyos para mangyari ang bagay na yan. Sabi ko nga, it doesn't mean na yung cooler ay nilagyan mo ng isda, yung cooler
Next question.
I-wave ko na, umami na si Maria at ina ng Diyos. I-wave ko na. Umami na siya.
Okay, final na ba? I-wave mo na, sister?
Oo, umami na siya na si Maria ay ina ng Diyos eh. So, sa lahat ng tanong ko, edi, I proven that I'm right. Wala siya nawasa sa akin eh.
At sis kasi, are you ready sa final conclusion mo sa debate
Pwede na
na
po
to?
ako.
Okay, start. Okay.
Ito talaga si Crisis Card. Mahilig ko mag-trap question. Isa lang naman, 3 question, bagsak ka na. Ito literal, inamin mo na ina si Kristo. At wala kaming doktrina na sa Katolika na si Maria ay Diyos. Siya ang ina ng Diyos. God barrier nga eh. Nagdadala ng Diyos sa kanyang sinapupunan. Pambihira ka, ang dami mo sinasabi. May Andrew ka pa. So, intindihin mo, yan is one of our dogma that Mary is the mother of Christ. She is the one who carried Jesus in her womb. Without Mary, wala tayong Kristo na lumalakad sa mundong ito. Because of her yes, in Magnificat, her yes made us flesh and dwells among us. So nagkatawang tao ang Diyos para iligtas tayo. That's why He is the Redeemer. Kaya nga isa sa mga titulo niya, she is the mother of the second person of the Trinity. Wala akong sinabi na she is the mother of God who is in heaven. She is the mother of God in earth. Kaya ginamit yung katawan niya as the vessel of one of instrument to our salvation. Then, kailangan natin bigyan siya ng papuri. Kaya kung hindi sa kanya, wala tayong Kristo ngayon. Wala tayong Diyos na pinapaniwalaan naglalakad dito sa mundo. Because of her body, Jesus used her body. Ano bang ginamit ni Kristo na katawan at dugo doon sa krus? Kay Maria yun.